Okay, so I just got, I just released this plug here on the injector pump, and I primed the thing a couple of times, and I got a lot of air out of it. So apparently the thing, it's been a couple of days since I ran the thing, so that's probably the reason. Now, when I run this thing, you're gonna notice that the thing's, it sounds like it's lugging or something like that. It's not running good or anything like that. But the thing is, I think it's got something to do with my fuel supply, or that the idle is set too low. So I might have to adjust the governor. I haven't really done that yet. So, because I do know this machine was running good at one time because it was for a hospital. It was a backup hospital generator. So I believe it's a good machine. You know, most of these hours were probably on maintenance. So let's see if it runs. Okay, so I guess it needs to be bled a little bit more. Yeah, see, you can see all the air coming out. So this is hard to do one-handed, but see, more air. This thing's, yeah, this thing was, now we'll see if it starts. I don't know. I just got a lot more air out of it. Okay, so definitely tried to run there for a minute, but we'll see. Get more air out of the thing. Oh, a lot more air. Okay. Maybe that'll be good enough, actually. So, hopefully this time it runs. Oops, hiccuped a little bit. Sounds like it's lugging, but I'm not 100% sure it is. Okay, so there it goes. It runs. A little bit smoky in here now, but yeah. So I mean, my intentions was actually using this for my garage. It's 3-phase, 480. It's set up for 480 right now. Obviously, as I showed you by the voltmeter. I don't know how it is under load. But we'll have to find that out once I get the thing actually hooked up. It's going to go in my little auxiliary building unless I decide to sell the thing, which I don't know if I want to now since it actually is a really nice engine. So obviously I have to get some things figured out because I can't shut off the fuel to shut the thing down. But we'll see. I'll work through that. I don't know. So my experience on diesel engines is only a few years now. I've got a diesel engine in the backhoe over there. I got a diesel engine in the, I got actually a 453 Detroit in that loader there. I have a small 30 horsepower diesel in the John Deere tractor. So I have a little bit of experience. I mean, I got that thing, but that doesn't really have any issues. So it never has. That was bought brand new. So yeah, I'm gonna try to get this running up real good now. I'm gonna clean the thing up. I'm gonna paint it, and we'll see. If I want to sell it, I'll sell it. I mean, I paid $1,000 for the thing. I have a few hours in getting it running. Most of that was trying to get the fuel delivery right. Another thing is about these engines is, from my experience, is it can be extremely hard to prime the fuel, bleed the fuel system and everything like that. What I was having a problem with is, this might be also be because of my fuel supply, is that I can get these full, but it will not come down into the injector pump. I had to force it with compressed air to get the fuel into the injector pump. Once the fuel starts flowing into the injector pump, now you can bleed the injector pump as you would normally do. So yeah, that's all I got for right now, guys. But I'll definitely probably post another video on this machine, because this thing's, once I get the fuel delivery, right, all the wiring hooked up, I'll definitely be posting something else. Plus, hopefully, maybe I'll be running this garage soon. We'll see. Okay. See you later.